open this car. Before opening, this is the remote control, this is the charger over there, and this is the car. So now let's open. This is the car. This is the car. This is the charger. And this is the remote control. So this is the remote control. This is the car. This is the charger. This is the car. This is the charger. And this is the remote control. Now we added batteries in this remote control and this car and in this car. These are rechargeable batteries. That's why they gave us this charger. And this is a big car, right? Giant car. Now let's do a test drive. So let's go again. And let's start the test drive. Before doing the test drive, we need to charge it. Okay, let's see how to charge. So this is there, right? This one. We need to put it over here. It should not be on. It should be always off. Then only it will be charged. When it's on, it will not charge. And this one will put. We need to put it in the plug. Okay. And then the light will come over here. So let's charge it up. Now I charged the car. So let's start the test drive now. Let's go. We need to on this car. It's on. So now put it always down so that it can go. Now take the remote control. So I'm going to tell you the controls. This means the door will open. See? And again if we do like this, it will close. This again I will show you. This means it will open like this. Now it will do like this also. It will do like continuously. Like that it will be. So this button means it will go straight. This button means it will go this way. And how to go right and left, I am going to show you. First, click the straight button and click the left so that it can go left. And click the straight button and click left to go this left way. And I am going to show you again. This and this means it will go straight and right. This and this means it will go straight and left. And this it will go left back. And this will go right back down. So that's it. So now I'm going to show you. So now let's go. See the car now. Let's open the door. Can you see how it opened? I'll show you again. Do you see that? It's cool. Now, how to do a brake? I'll show you. See, first go straight, then click back. Okay, I'm going to show you again. That's a brake. I'm going to show you again. There's a brake. So that means brake. So now let's go super fast. those lights? See that? And do you think over here lights will come? There will be no lights over here. So let's go fast. So I hope you like this review and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.